Fantabulous Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with my project share for my design team project for Decorate Your Life. Okay, I made two cards. I made a save the date and a thank you. And I used her wedding day printable, which I will link down below in the description box. And if you stay tuned, I will also link the video for the process video of how I did this. Okay, so I want to show you I made this little thank you card here, which is a 3 by 3, and I cut about 1/8 of an inch off to give the border here, and I inked everything using Tim Holtz vintage photo, and I made this here on my computer. Now there's nothing on the inside of the card, but it is inked all the way around. Now for the save the date, what I done was I went and looked for a free groom, what they call it, printable, and I trimmed out one of the brides from the kit, and I also did the flower hit, the piece here from the kit. The background is from the kit, and I just laid it all on here in the manner I wanted it to be. And on the inside, I took a smaller panel that I already had cut out, and then I made this here on my computer, and this is another piece from the printable. So this is my two projects for the design team for this month for video number 1. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I upload new content. Please be kind, be safe, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.